Hi everyone, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and here's another 2-Minute Tuesday. So today I'd like to just give you 3 quick tips to help with your meal planning. Number 1 is check your calendar first before you start meal planning. This is going to tell you any days that you should not plan a dinner for because you have something else planned, and it's just going to give you an idea of what's going on in your week, so if you know you need to plan shorter dinners for certain days or make sure you have leftovers for others. Number 2 is to keep things fun by having themes for your week. This can be things like Taco Tuesday or Pizza on Friday. This will help you have a little bit of a routine in your week, but then you can plan new and different recipes for those themes to keep things fun. And number 3 is to keep your shopping list organized and consolidated by shopping at home first. So once you've gone through the process of making your meal plan and your shopping list was generated for you, take your app or your shopping list around in your kitchen, check your cupboards, and make sure you're not double buying anything or missing anything you need. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.